Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really cute plant terrarium. Now, I love the little glass vases because they're a little heart-shaped, so that is really fun. And it's a nice blue color that come with some little blue beads that you can just simply add in there and create a whole little area for your little plant and be able to watch it all the time. So when you use these, they all just hold water and you can see how much water is left. And then whether you're using, just random little leaves, plants, anything like that, they can just hold everything in there really nice. It looks really pretty for any sort of display. I love the little hearts, and the beads just really add a nice touch to it because it gets a lot of different contrast. Now each one of these are about 3 inches as far as your heart look here, and your entire thing is almost 11 inches. But it's a nice wood that you can have out on your desk, sitting as display anywhere in your house to create a beautiful atmosphere.